looks like harvest came early this year. All jokes aside, we are actually gonna start harvest today. So we have our S780, we have our organic rye field, and we have our draper head all here. And it looks like a truck's coming too. So I don't know if you guys saw my previous video, but we planted this rye. It's not certified organic yet. It still has 1 year before it becomes certified organic, or technically one more crop. This is this last crop. We planted soybeans in half of it. I have a video I'll link down in the description with that. But yeah, today we're gonna harvest the rye. So we're currently waiting on my dad. He has a GPS globe to put on it. Here he is. Here, I can I'll let you connect.
Technology major, you can get the globe on the roof.
Can you hold the camera?
Clip that back in.
Bushel. Heck yeah. There'll probably be some people watching this video that are just absolutely laughing their head off. Disclaimer, we have no idea what we're doing.
42 years of driving a combine, and this is a first for me.
Do you do the math?
Ladder seems to be pegged.
Did you do the math? Is it actually 42, or you just throw that out there?
I started when I was in second grade, so 8, 9. First grade, I probably
yeah, 42. 42 years.
Probably a little farm combine in first grade.
Huh. So here's all the soybeans we planted. We crimped all this rye and killed most of it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
A full grain tank already.
It's gonna take it.
How many acres are you at?
15.6.
15.6. You have nearly, I don't know, 500 bushels in there probably?
Yes.
That's such a weird color. Okay, so we did, that was probably 500 bushels, 33.3 bushels per acre roughly. very roughly.
I can always change this.
Is that good? I don't know.
Well, I think it would yield 60 or 80 if we planted it heavy enough.
Oh.
You might plant it like a third of what we should have planted it in.
Okay.
Because we were just going to use it for cover crop. We weren't going to harvest it.
Yeah, no, when we planted this, we had no intention of harvesting it at all.
So I did not know. Didn't know.
It's so weird seeing the bean head not riding on, or the draper not riding on the ground.
Kind of nice.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about rocks or.
A lot of worries.
I know it seems like we're making a really big deal about this. It's just because it's something that's never done in our area. In fact, I've actually never seen rye in my life, in a field like this anyways. You'll see this drone footage right now. As you can see in the distance, it's all corn soybeans. Even though it looks like there's some yellow in the distance, that's just tasseled corn. So it's definitely something for us to do this. And like I said earlier, we had no intention at all of combining this when we planted it. We just planted it as a cover crop because this field is going organic and it needed one more crop rotation. So it seemed like a good idea. We planted it pretty light, and then someone came to us and was like, you know, you can combine that and keep it as a cover crop seed. So we're like, sure, why not? And we also have our soybeans planted in that part. So if you take anything from this video, just know it's a big experiment. We don't know what we're doing, just kind of fun. So yeah, we're definitely not, you know, saying that this is the best crop of rye ever. It definitely isn't, for sure. It's just, first of all, we planted it way too light, and second of all, just not the right climate for it. So anyways, we had no idea how much, you know, we were gonna get, so we brought one truck for the meantime, but we quickly realized that we were gonna need more than that. So I'm gonna take that truck and go grab a couple gravity wagons. We would grab another semi, but frankly, it's the middle of July, so we only have the one hooked up. Well, he's finishing filling up that, and that's basically full. And then he's gonna fill up this, which won't take very long, and I'll probably go get a couple more of these. Gravity wagon number 2. Well, that about finishes it up. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch another video, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. And I'll see you in the next one.